Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to check your unifi SIM card balance in 2025. With unifi's services evolving rapidly, staying on top of your balance is key to avoiding surprises on your bill. Whether you're a longtime user or just switched to unifi, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, let's talk about the quickest method: using a USSD code. This is perfect if you're on the go and don't have access to an app or computer. Simply grab your phone, dial *123# or the specific code provided by unifi in 2025. Remember, service codes can change, so double-check the unifi app or website for the latest one. Once you dial it, hit the call button and voila! Your balance details will pop up on your screen, showing your main balance, data usage, and any add-ons. If you prefer a more detailed view, fire up the unifi mobile app. Download it from your app store if you haven't already. It's free and user-friendly. Log in with your unifi account credentials, then navigate to the My Account section. There, you'll find a clear dashboard displaying your current balance, expiration dates, and even usage history. This method is great for 2025 because the app now includes AI-powered insights to help you manage your plan better. For those who like web-based options, head over to the unifi website on your computer or mobile browser. Log into your account, and under the Services tab, select Check Balance. You'll get a real-time update, plus the ability to top up or modify your plan right from there. In 2025, unifi has made this even smoother with enhanced security features like biometric login. One quick tip: if you're facing any issues, like an error message, make sure your SIM is properly inserted and your account is active. Unifi's customer support is top-notch, so don't hesitate to reach out via their 24/7 chat on the app. There you have it, folks. Checking your unifi SIM balance in 2025 is straightforward and takes less than a minute. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.